This is a really engaging course.
It's hugely beneficial.
And this course just gives me the chance to learn.
You learn a lot of practical skills, you meet lots of new people, and you get a great network.
It made me realize that the future is digital marketing.
Learning on distance is something that the future requires.
Every day we'd start off with some learning, and then we could go off and do some workshops by ourselves and then rejoin our classmates.
My favorite part of the course was my teacher. She really went the extra mile and she was there for us all the way.
I think the chance of be better and be on top of your market and your career is something that is priceless.
If you're thinking of joining Talent Garden, I would say go for it.
If the opportunity knocks to the door, open it because it's worth it.
And that's it, go for it, do it.